It's as if the Ford F-150 Raptor was born among the scrub and dust and cactus, emerging from the Anza-Borrego sand and shattering our expectations. Back in 2010, our review of the first Raptor confirmed what we all know now: hauling ass through the desert in a stock pickup is the greatest thing you can do with your clothes on. We're back in that same desert, east of San Diego, to see if the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor can recapture the magic. Yes, it can crawl. We managed to billy goat it over some improbable terrain, but this is a wide-open spacious truck. That's why we're in a place with room to run. Out here, the new Raptor requires you to hard-code a different set of limits into your protesting brain. Say you're running next to some train tracks at 70 miles per hour or so, and a ditch, perhaps a dry creek bed, appears before you. Your inner voice hisses at you, "Brake! Brake! Now, you idiot!" Dash as you brace against the dead pedal. You don't brake. Instead, when the exceedingly patient and calm right-seater, a pro instructor and Baja veteran, barks gas now, you floor it. Unless you've been cutting up the desert on the regular, this isn't intuitive. But the right foot obeys. At this moment, thanks to throttle on weight transfer, the unloaded wheels droop as the 9-stage Fox shocks extend like the landing gear they're about to become.